history of Saint-Gobain Abrasives is rooted in Stafford. We have employed generations of local families, and there has always been a strong community spirit amongst colleagues. Abrasives in Stafford can be dated back to the 19th century, with rubber bonded wheels being manufactured at Castleworks since 1893. Shortly after, Universal Grinding Wheel Company Limited registered to sell vitrified wheels, and manufacturing started at the Doxey site. Works quickly progressed when the first tunnel kiln was introduced. In the 50s, the Doxey Road factory was the largest of its kind in Europe, covering a 44-acre site. 20 years later, Universal was the largest manufacturer of grinding wheels, employing over 2,000 people. When Saint-Gobain acquired both Universal Grinding Wheel Company Limited and Unicorn Abrasives in the late 90s, a multi-million-pound investment was made into the Doxey factory, renovating building infrastructure and automating production processes. In 2002, a state-of-the-art manufacturing site was built in Staverton, Gloucestershire, which was designed to manufacture premium quality diamond super abrasives at competitive market prices with dedicated specialist customer services. Staverton is now the heart of the company's diamond operations, where our specialists and experienced employees manufacture products under the Norton Winter brand. Products manufactured at the Staverton plant serve many markets, including aerospace, automotive, medical and the electronics sector. After these major investments, the final stage was to improve core operations in Stafford, which oversees an abrasives portfolio of highly recognisable brands and serves many markets, from aerospace and automotive to DIY and construction. The Doxey site could no longer cater for the needs of our growing business, and so a multi-million-pound investment was made to a brand new building on the Red Hill industrial site, just off junction 14 of the M6. The new headquarters will oversee the day-to-day running of the UK operations and also house a brand new distribution centre, which will hold UK stock and assist with round-the-clock deliveries. By relocating, we hope to remove commercial traffic from Stafford Town Centre, reducing pollution and noise from nearby residential areas, whilst also continuing to support the local community and economy. Our journey has really only just begun.